So if you are planning to pursue food technology from Shaheed Rajguru College, this video will give you a complete clarity. Admission process, campus life and placements in just 2 minutes. Shaheed Rajguru College of Applied Sciences is located in Vasundhara Enclave, Delhi. It's a women college affiliated with Delhi University, is known for science and applied science programs. This college offers B.Sc Honours Food Technology, B.Sc Biomedical Science, B.Sc Microbiology, B.Sc Chemistry and other applied sciences courses. The food technology program focuses on food processing, food chemistry, quality control, packaging and food safety. For B.Sc Food Technology, admission is through CUET, the Common University Entrance Test. After appearing in CUET, students participate in Delhi University counseling and seat allocation process. Selection is purely merit-based according to CUET scores and university cutoffs. Campus life here is academically focused but active. There are well-equipped food labs, practical sessions, industrial visits, internships, seminars and cultural societies. Since it's a women college, an environment is safe, supportive and growth oriented. Talking about placements, students from food technology get opportunity in quality assurance and quality control roles, R&D labs, packaging companies, startups. Some students also prepare for higher studies like MSc, MBA or competitive exams. So if you are looking for Delhi University College with strong applied science background in food technology, Shaheed Rajguru College can be solid option. Follow for more honest food tech college reviews.